Oh. Bella, you have to pee. You're not going anywhere. Ow! Sorry. Ow. And as soon as I turned around, he took off bolting and I went off the thing.
Fucking busted. You dropped.
Hi. I know, hi. You should like come towards me. Maybe I'll try and ride you. The one thing about these pigs, they love the mud.
I hope I got that on video.
Oh.
Give me my burger. This is what I deal with every time I eat. Negan steals my food. You'd think I'd be a thinner human being with this little around.
No, this is a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin for Boo. For Boo and for Arthur. Yes, it's a pumpkin. Ow! Ow! God damn it, you
Jessie, but it's Valentine's Day. She loves Valentine's Day.
Mistaken, but you see, it's not me, it's not my we're fighting. Someday, 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 someday. It's okay, baby. I know, baby, I know.
breath is. Right fingertips reach forward and up and then all the way back. Peaceful warrior. Inhale in, have fun with this. Exhale, go all the way down. You're gonna go right into that big breath out, brings you all the way back down. Beautiful. Plant the palms, step the right toes back. Inhale to shift forward. Exhale, belly to cobra or chaturanga to upward facing dog. Move with your breath. Listen to your body. And in downward facing dog.
Look at all the love. Oh, look at all the love. Can I have a kiss? Kisses. Wow.
So, I just seen that you shared something. Aww, my baby.
What do you got, Athena? What do you got? You think she loves you?